You know, at first I wasn't gonna make this video, guys, but this lady had it coming. What's good, you guys? PVTV here. And today I have to tell you guys a story about the dumbest thing that happened to me at work. Yeah, this is another rant video. Usually when these type of things happen, I let it slide and, you know, go on with my day. But no, this needs to be handled right now. Now when I do these type of videos, when I just like tell you guys the things that happened to me, I usually just tell you and you listen. But in order for you guys to understand the amount of stupidity that was oozing from this woman, I decided to show you. Now before I continue with the story, let me inform you guys the role I play at my job. Basically, I'm the host slash busboy, aka the slave. Ha! Just kidding. Anyways, the basic routine usually is to greet the customer, sit them down, and clean their table and get it ready. Alright, so I sat this lady down and walked off to go attend to the next customers. The lady looked confused, so she called me over. Yes, ma'am? Because, you know, your boy got some manners. This lady was like, come on, you missed a spot. Guys, I'm telling you right now, I could not see a stain. I analyzed that mug. I freaking investigated on that boy. I couldn't even find nothing. Nothing. Not a stain. So I automatically assumed this lady was crazy. She told me I wasn't doing my job right. So I just kept my opinions to myself and cleaned her table. I tried to get out as quickly as possible, but she called me again. What? I went over with my rag and she snatched it from me. This lady snatched it from me. No respect. She threw it at me too. What? What? This don't make sense. Okay, first of all, who is this lady throwing rags at? Second of all, why is Consuela getting on me like that? Alright? So guys, I couldn't take it anymore. I took that woman out. Straight up. Oh, look at that elbow. Ooh! Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you made it this far, you are a part of the 301 squad. The loyal peeps, the loyalty that you guys showed to this channel. You come and you watch, and I really appreciate it. Much love. Much love. Anyway, if you are new, please subscribe, leave your comments down below on what you think, your opinions, or whatever. My social medias are down, also Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. Don't use Facebook because Facebook is for oldies. I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect. I will see you next time. Peace.